Hey guys, have you ever wondered how some men win a woman's heart and body without even touching her? Some men, just through their presence and words, manage to deeply move a woman. And no, it's not magic or manipulation. It's called emotional seduction. That lost art where a woman feels so deeply desired, so completely understood, that her body responds on its own, even before a single button is undone. For a mature man, this isn't a game. It's his presence, his energy, that calm confidence you can feel even without a word. It's confidence without ego, sensuality without being sleazy. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how mature men use their tone, teasing, presence, and inner authority to emotionally seduce a woman. Because here's the truth. You don't need to undress her body. You need to unravel her mind and emotions. Let's talk about the psychology of emotional seduction. See, a woman's arousal system is different from a man's. Sure, visuals excite women too, but especially for mature, emotionally aware women, the real turn-on is emotional. She wants to feel wanted. She wants a safe, emotionally intense bond where she can slowly surrender without fear or pressure. She wants that moment when her mind relaxes. And when her mind relaxes, the body naturally follows. Physical attraction matters. Yes, but emotional arousal multiplies that desire. And that's why, if you can get into her mind, the path to her heart and body is already yours. Whether you're introverted or bold, this is an art anyone can master. All it takes is intention, awareness, and presence. Ready to emotionally seduce her? Let's begin. Point 1. Voice tone. What you say matters, sure, but how you say it matters even more. If there's one tool a mature man has that can awaken something in a woman without ever touching her, it's his voice. And no joke, it's one of the most powerful weapons out there. Yet most guys ignore it. They stress about what line to say, what words to use. But the real players, they know it's all in the delivery. That low, slow, relaxed tone that comes straight from the chest. It doesn't just sound good, it's felt. It awakens primal instincts before her mind even catches on. Don't try to act overly deep. Just lower your pitch a bit. Don't rush your words. Speak slowly. Pause. It's in those pauses that tension builds. The unspoken pull that stirs something inside her. When you speak slowly, it signals you're fully in control of yourself, the moment, and the desire rising inside her. Your words should feel like invisible hands softly brushing against her. And when you finish your sentence, do it with certainty. Not like you're asking a question. Say it like, you look absolutely irresistible tonight. You don't need to say much. If your tone's right, her body will feel it. That's the Titan effect. Her breath catches. Her heart races. This is the first secret of emotional seduction. Your voice should feel like velvet sliding across her skin. And then you won't need to touch her. She'll surrender on her own. Point 2. Erotic teasing plant thoughts in her mind that she can't shake. Erotic teasing isn't just flirting, it's foreplay for her mind. And mature men know a woman's real arousal starts up there. The goal of teasing isn't just to make her laugh or impress her. It's to stir something inside, to plant ideas that stick. No matter how much she tries, your lines, your tone, will replay in her head. It's not cheap. It's clever, suggestive, and a little dangerous. Instead of giving an obvious compliment, create tension. Instead of saying, you look beautiful, smirk slightly and say, you're trouble, and you know it. Now she won't be confused, she'll be curious. Her imagination will go exactly where you want it to go. Sometimes, just a whisper is enough. If you behave, I might tell you all the things I've been thinking about you. And notice, you didn't say anything explicit. But her mind will fill in the blanks. Even in normal conversation, drop innocent-sounding lines, like, that dress should come with a warning. It's dangerously distracting. Simple words, but deep impact. Her imagination is now in your hands. When a woman's mind is teased, her body naturally follows. Because the truth is, her most powerful erogenous zone is her mind. If you can make her think dirty, you can make her feel dirty. And from there, that thrill, that fall into seduction, is just one step A. Point 3. Presence. This is the strongest aphrodisiac a man can offer. In today's distracted world, where most guys can't go 5 minutes without checking their phones, a man who gives his pure attention becomes unforgettable, especially for mature women who've seen it all. Presence becomes the biggest turn-on. But what is presence? It's not about saying perfect lines or having a flawless plan. It's about being fully in the moment. No hurry, no masks. That eye contact that's neither awkward nor intense, just soft and deep. Like your eyes are saying, I see you, really see you. Listening is an art too. Don't just hear her words. Listen to her emotions. Tune into the silence. What's she feeling that she's not saying? And above all, stillness. No fidgeting. No restless energy. Just slow, calm, grounded presence that makes her feel safe. When a woman feels that she's truly being seen, her walls come down, her body relaxes, and her mind goes places you've never even touched. This is the peak of emotional seduction. Whether you act or not, just your being there becomes an experience. Point 4. Inner command. That silent power that draws her in without a single word. Real seduction begins with your energy, even before you speak. Inner command means your relationship with yourself. That confidence that doesn't rely on approval. That energy that says, I know who I am and I don't need to prove it. And believe me, women feel this from miles away. When you walk into a room, they can tell instantly, this guy's different. With inner command, you don't demand attention, you invite it. You don't beg for love, you offer value. And if she's smart, she'll come closer naturally. You validate yourself, not her approval. You set boundaries, not with anger, but with self-respect. And that strength, that's what becomes sexual fuel for a woman who wants a real man. And when tension rises, trust me, any woman worth it will test you. But you don't panic, you just smile. Stay grounded, hold your frame, with warmth. You lead, not just like a boss, but with suggestions, with grace. You initiate touch when the timing is right. Never needy, never aggressive. Conclusion. Emotional seduction isn't a technique, it's a layered art. Real emotional seduction isn't mechanical, it's an experience. Slow voice that stirs something inside her. Those teasing one-liners that leave a grin on her lips. That deep, calm presence that tells her you're different. And that silent, unshakable self-assurance that says, I'm already whole. Put it all together, and you create an energy she can't resist. She starts to feel herself, just a bit more open, a bit more vulnerable. Her breathing changes. Her laughter becomes softer, warmer. Her body leans toward you before she even realizes it. And just imagine, you haven't even touched her yet. That is real power.